Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas Jetskis in Fisch. These festive watercraft are highly sought after and typically appear during special holiday events. We'll dive into the details of obtaining these limited-time items, including specific purchase options and what makes each one unique. Get ready to add some holiday cheer to your aquatic adventures with these speedy and stylish jetskis. One popular option is the snowmobile jetski, which you can acquire by purchasing the winter bundle. This bundle is typically found in the game's shop or through a skin merchant, like the one in Moosewood. It costs 799 Robux. 1.8.13, this particular jetski is a top performer, boasting an impressive speed of 200 studs per second, making it the fastest among many holiday boats. 1.13. Another festive option is the Fisch's jetski, which you can get by purchasing the limited-time Xmas pack. This special pack is usually found in the main shop or from any skin merchant. It also costs 799 Robux. Keep in mind that this jetski, like many holiday items, is only available for a short period, typically from late December into early January, so grab it while you can. 1. When seeking holiday jetskis, always keep an eye on the in-game shop and various skin merchants during seasonal events. These items are often limited in quantity or available for a short duration. For example, the Santa's jetski was a popular item previously sold for 599 Robux, but it quickly sold out and is no longer obtainable. Be sure to act fast for future festive releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.